Thank you. Ah, well, I'm fine. And how are you too? Sino gumamit? Nag-live po sila ko. I do my 9 years. Will bring my shades. Oh, oh, it's so bright in feel bright in my hair is wet and came from bath. Guys, mag-reply mo. I will reply. How are you? I have yep, I have Instagram. I put in my about. I have there. You see my Instagram there. Look my light here. It's dark in my room. So bright. Hi. Can you make comment, guys, so I can make a shout out to those who are watching my live? Oh, welcome to my live, my 5 viewers again. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, like you look so pretty. Thank you. Thank you so much. You always admiring my beauty. Guys, look, Mark Evan. Guys, you can send support chat and super thanks in my live. Oh, look, my grip. Why? Oh my God, my collagen. Oh my God, it's overflowing. Overflowing. I have to put clean and then the just put this only at night time, guys. If I have time, but if I'm tired, I sleep already. Uh. I can put it. I can put it anywhere. Oh wait, guys, I will comment. I will back again. Shit. I have my coach. Don't die. Survive. Where's my coma? No phone. No, what happened? Hi guys. Welcome to my live. I don't have budget anymore. Oh, all my money is only 200 pesos. Hmm, I don't have anything. Tomorrow I buy food for Makmak. And then tomorrow, I'm not gonna do it. If tomorrow, hi to my one viewer left. Why, what happened to the others? Guy, what happened? Are you there? Hi.